Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick little check-in for the math problem because a lot of people are getting a little bit confused. This is called a multi-step math problem. It means that there's more than one step you have to do to find the answer. So it said this week Mrs. Perry sold 24 tickets on Monday and 4 fewer tickets on Tuesday. How many tickets did she sell in all on both days? So the first thing we want to do is look at the problem and really see what it's telling us. So we know that Mrs. Perry sold 24 tickets on Monday, and then it says she sold 4 fewer tickets on Tuesday. That doesn't mean she sold 4 tickets on Tuesday. It means she sold 4 fewer on Tuesday. So if we were making a diagram of this and we had Monday and we drew our tickets, and for right now, just to kind of have this go a little bit faster, I'm just going to draw dots. So she sold 24. So this was her Monday. Then on Tuesday, she sells 4 fewer than Monday. That means I'm going to take what she sold on Monday, but I'm going to take 4 fewer. So I'm going to cross off 4. And that leaves me what she sold on Tuesday, which is 20. So if there was 24 on Monday and 20 on Tuesday, how many tickets did she sell? That should say she, I apologize, on both days. That would give me a number sentence of 24 plus 20 equals something. I'm not going to give the answer because I want you guys to figure it out. Another thing you could have done was use the highlighter tool. I know a couple of the kids did, and that's really great, to say, okay, she sold 24 tickets on Monday. I'm going to highlight that because I know what she sold. 4 fewer tickets on Tuesday. I'm going to highlight 4 fewer. And then the question is, how many did she sell in all, which means in total on both days? So if I'm thinking about this, I need to know Monday plus Tuesday to give me the answer. So if I go back and I see what I've highlighted, well, I can see that Monday was 24. Tuesday is 4 fewer. I don't know what Tuesday is. I have to figure that out. 4 fewer means 4 less. 4 less than what? 4 less than Monday. So I know if I'm at 24 and I take away 4, I'm left with 20. So my number sentence, again, is 24 plus 20. The last way we could have thought about this was with a bar graph. So we know she's going to have 2 bars, and when we set these up, we do a long and a short bar. I know that she sold 24 on Monday and 4 fewer on Tuesday, which means 4 less on Tuesday. So I know that Tuesday is going to be the smaller one, and Monday is going to be the longer one. And I know that Monday had 24. And it doesn't tell me anything about Tuesday. It doesn't tell me how many were sold on Tuesday. But I do know there's 4 fewer. And if you remember from my first video about part whole and the bar graphs, when we show 4 fewer, I do the little frowny face guy because he's missing 4 fewer. And if this one has 4 fewer, it means that this one has 4 extra. So we want to find the part where the extras are. That would be here. So if this part is 4, then this part would be 4. And if this part is a question mark, then this part is a question mark. Now, how does this help me? Well, if my whole is 24, I know my parts are something and 4. And we know from part whole that whole minus part gives us part. So 24 minus 4 would give me that question mark. So 24 minus 4 is 20. So I know that the question mark is 20. And this question mark matches this one, so that's 20. So now if I need to know how much they sold on both days, well, Tuesday there was 20, Monday there was 24. 24 plus 20 equals something. So make sure you're checking your work and also make sure that you're answering, not with just the answer, but you're also answering this question. How many tickets did she sell in all on both days? She sold blank tickets on both days. Thank you. Hope it helped.